Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put NGL link on Facebook story. Through NGL link, you'll be able to find anonymous answers to the questions that you have kept. So to put NGL link on Facebook story, you need to first open your NGL application on your mobile phone. Now tap on Get Started option. Now here you can see there is no Facebook option, so you need to tap on Instagram option. After this, now here you need to enter a username for your NGL. After you do so, tap on Continue option on the down. With this, here you can add a profile picture for your NGL account. I'm going to skip this process by tapping on Skip on the top. With this, now your NGL account will be created. Now here you can see there are different type of NGL link that you can add. You can scroll towards right and look for the best one that you want to add on your story. Then you'll be able to find copy your link option. Tap on copy link button. With this, the link will be copied for your NGL. Now tap on share option on the down. After this, here you'll be able to see the steps that you need to follow. So tap on next step until you get the option of share on Instagram. Then tap on share on Instagram. With this, it will directly take you to your Instagram. Now here the NGL will create a story for you. Now tap on a small sticker icon on the top. After this, tap on link option. With this, now paste the link that you have just copied. With this, tap on done option. Now the link will be created. Now here you can adjust the link however you like. After you do so, now long press on your story option. Now here you need to make sure that your Facebook account and your Instagram account are synced so that when you share any Instagram story, it will directly appear on your Facebook story as well. After you long press on your story, now tap on your Facebook story option. After this, tap on share. With this, now your Instagram story will be posted. Now it will take few seconds for your Instagram story to be posted. Now when you tap on your story on your Instagram and tap on the link, then it will show you the option of visit link. Now after your Instagram story gets uploaded, go to your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are also logged into your Facebook account. After you do so, now tap on your story option on the top. And here you can see the story that you have just uploaded on your Instagram has been uploaded to your Facebook as well. After you do so, now you can tap on the link, then it will show you the option of visit link. With this, you'll be able to add the NGL link on your Facebook story as well. Now, any of my Facebook users, when they tap the given box, they will be able to go to my NGL link. This is how we can put NGL link on Facebook story. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.